How to fix CS2 crashing on startup? First step, clear the DirectX shader cache. Open run and type the following text CLEANMGR. Type it and click OK. Select the drive. Select the DirectX shader cache. Once selecting after you need to click OK and click delete files. Click delete files and wait for some time. Once deleting after move on with next step. Successfully deleted. Next step, open stream. Click library, click the application, click properties, click general. Under launch option, remove the commands. If there is any command means you need to remove it. And click install files. Click verify integrity of the game file. And wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Then move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click storage settings. Make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having the enough memory space means sometimes the error will occur. Minimum 15 to 20 GB required memory space. Then click command prompt. Right click run as administrator and type the following text sfc /scan now and wait for some times. The verification is ongoing. Once complete after, click exit and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app of users through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down. Search for CS2 and Steam. Both should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. The application itself not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Steam. You get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding after enable both private and public, click OK in the bottom side and restart the device. Thank you.